Today's digital environment requires a solid grasp of digital marketing. Online marketing can be complicated, but this article makes it easy for beginners. Digital marketing comprises several tactics and tools organizations use to reach their audience online. Mastering these concepts is essential for marketing success. Digital marketing methods including SEO, social media, content, and email campaigns will be covered. Each part helps establish brand recognition, engage customers, and boost sales. Understanding how these methods operate together lets you design a unified marketing plan that resonates with your target audience and implement effective digital marketing strategies for measurable results. Digital marketing uses social media, search engines, email, and websites to promote products. Unlike traditional marketing, which uses TV, radio, and print, digital marketing is more precise and interactive than traditional marketing, which may reach a wide audience. A crucial difference is audience targeting. Digital marketing segments audiences by demographics, interests, and online behavior. This lets you target certain groups with messaging. In contrast, traditional marketing frequently casts a larger net, resulting in inefficiencies. Live performance tracking and analysis are another benefit of digital marketing. Instantly monitoring engagement, conversion rates, and client feedback lets marketers alter campaigns quickly. This knowledge is hard to get with standard means. Digital marketing is cheaper than traditional advertising, so businesses of all sizes can reach their target audience. Interactive content, social media, and tailored communication provide a two-way dialogue between brands and consumers in digital marketing. Customer satisfaction and brand loyalty increase with this contact. While conventional marketing has its place, organizations need digital marketing for its precision, real-time data, cost-effectiveness, and engagement. Know the difference between strategies and tactics. Marketing plans and methods must be distinguished. All marketing initiatives are based on a marketing strategy. A company's long-term vision and goals drive its approach to reaching its target audience. However, tactics are the activities and procedures used to implement the plan. Strategy gives stability, while tactics alter constantly. Strategy development involves the core four: model, market, message, and media. Business framework and value proposition are the model. The market involves audience identification. Media are delivery channels for the brand's message. A clear strategy ensures integrated marketing efforts toward unified goals, improving campaigns and budget allocation. Businesses thrive by spending time on a core four-based marketing strategy. A lack of strategy can lead to ineffective approaches and wasted resources. Core 4: model, market, message, media. Effective marketing requires four elements. The first model emphasizes business design and profitability. Understand business operations, value, and revenue. A clear model describes the USP and competitive advantages. This supports marketing, boosting profits and growth. The market, reflecting the ideal customer, is the second element. This requires a complete target audience profile with demographics, interests, pain areas, and buying habits. Marketing methods tailored to audience demands boost engagement and conversion. The third element is the message, essential for audience engagement. A strong message conveys the brand's value and addresses target market needs. Clear, simple, and emotionally engaging content creates a relatable brand identity. The fourth element is media, or message delivery channels. Choosing the correct media maximizes reach. Integrating these four elements provides a successful marketing strategy that lasts. Correct media channel selection. The correct marketing media affects a brand's audience reach and campaign success. Businesses should study customers' internet habits to find where they hang out. Social media, websites, and forums are analyzed. Surveys, analytics, and social listening reveal channel usage. Understanding these preferences helps marketers target channels with the highest engagement and conversion rates. Overspreading efforts across channels is a common mistake. A presence on every platform may appear useful, but it dilutes campaign efficacy. Divided resources make content creation and messaging difficult. For best impact, businesses should focus on a few audience-friendly platforms. This boosts brand awareness and engagement. Businesses maximize ROI by focusing marketing on productive channels. This involves generating audience-specific content on their chosen platforms to boost engagement and brand loyalty. Their marketing approach is more effective and successful when they focus on channels that matter to their target market. Organic versus paid marketing differences. Optimizing marketing requires distinguishing organic and paid marketing. Organic marketing is creating unpaid content to naturally attract and engage an audience. This covers SEO, social media, blogs, and email newsletters. Building brand recognition and relationships without investing money is the goal. It relies on useful, audience-relevant information. Paid marketing promotes content with paid ads. This covers PPC, social media, and display ads. Paid marketing helps firms reach more customers rapidly by exposing material to potential buyers who may not have found it organically. This boosts traffic and conversions faster than organic alternatives. Organic marketing is cheap since content generates attention without recurring costs. Organic tactics also build trust and credibility. Organic marketing usually takes longer to yield results. Paid marketing provides instant visibility and targeting. However, it is expensive and visibility may quickly decrease if the budget is consumed. Marketing is most effective when organic and paid techniques are balanced. Balancing brand awareness and direct response. Direct response and brand awareness marketing must be distinguished to create an effective plan. Direct response marketing stimulates instant actions like buying or signing up for a newsletter. Direct response marketing use unambiguous calls to action and metrics. Email campaigns, social media ads with instant offers, and PPC are examples. Brand awareness marketing promotes trust and recognition. This strategy builds brand loyalty by achieving favorable brand perception. Brand awareness techniques frequently include storytelling, interesting content, and consistent message. It may not be immediately measurable, but it can boost consumer loyalty and market presence. Direct response marketing works faster and is easier to measure. However, using this method alone may yield short-term results without enduring partnerships. Brand awareness marketing needs patience and long-term commitment to create trust. Sustainable growth requires balancing both tactics. Integrating direct response strategies with brand awareness campaigns boosts sales and builds customer loyalty, assuring short-term and long-term success. Search versus discovery marketing, user intent matching. Effective search and discovery marketing tactics require understanding intent. Search marketing targets search engine users with specific intent. People search for information, products, and solutions. This intent-driven strategy produces highly relevant content and ads that answer user questions. Optimizing for user intent keywords and phrases attracts ready-to-buy customers. Discovery marketing targets casual content browsers without a purchase intent. This is common on social media and content suggestion services. Discovery marketing creates visually appealing material to capture users' curiosity and encourage further research. This requires imagination and storytelling. Discovery marketing raises brand awareness and nurtures potential customers, whereas search marketing captures demand and converts decision makers. Both approaches contact people at different phases of their journey, fostering immediate attention and long-term partnerships, differentiating intangible services from tangible products. When it comes to marketing, various strategies are required for intangible services and tangible products. One way to market tangible objects is to display their physical characteristics. The ability for customers to see, touch, and feel the product before making a purchase is beneficial to marketing. It is possible to exhibit the unique selling propositions of tangible products through a variety of different techniques, including the presentation of clear specifications and benefits. Without physical attributes, marketing immaterial services is something that might be challenging. The provision of services is regarded as a risky venture. It is essential to establish reputation and trustworthiness. For the purpose of establishing trust and quality, service providers make use of testimonials, reviews, and case studies. The marketing of services ought to place an emphasis on results and advantages rather than features. By putting an emphasis on the outcomes that are anticipated, service providers can tell an interesting story. The key to demonstrating the value of a service is to demonstrate how it solves problems. Through the implementation of this outcome-oriented strategy, intangible services are linked to tangible advantages. B2B versus B2C, marketing, audience-specific. It is essential to differentiate between business-to-business and business-to-consumer marketing in order to develop personalized strategies. Through business-to-business marketing, efficiency-enhancing products are sold to other companies. Several different stakeholders are required to contribute because of the longer sales cycles. In order to be successful, business-to-business marketers need to demonstrate how their solutions can solve business challenges. The business-to-consumer (B2C) marketing strategy aims to provide goods or services to customers directly. Storytelling on the brand and emotional appeals are required for this. Instant gratification and impulsive purchases are emphasized in business-to-consumer marketing. A shorter sales cycle can be achieved by focusing on volume sales. The development of relationships and the use of individualized communication are typical B2B strategies. Customers are drawn in through the use of webinars, content marketing, and industry events. Campaigns aimed at consumers make use of influencers, social media, and mass media. Images that are captivating, emotive narratives, and promotions all drive people to take action. This video covers digital marketing basics, highlighting its importance in today's corporate environment. Marketing success requires understanding these fundamentals. We addressed organic and paid marketing, media selection, and B2B versus B2C marketing. Each is crucial to successful campaigns. We also stressed the importance of outcomes, especially in service marketing, and balancing direct response and brand awareness. Use the tactics and principles shared, test, analyze, and improve strategies to find what works. Remember, internet marketing is constantly changing, so remaining informed and adaptable is crucial.